Hi, Scott Doolan at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas, and we're going to take a quick look at a brand new MasterCraft XStar S. All right, so taking a look at the inside of the boat, up front, pickle fork bow, really nice deep seating. I'm 6'2", and the shoulder, the backrests come all the way up above my shoulders. Flip down armrests, LED lighting in all of the speakers, double USB ports up front, as well as pass-through trash port here. Powered captain seat to raise and lower your captain seat. Dual screens, clip stereo speakers up in the dash, up underneath the windshield, as well as throughout the cockpit. Push button to fold the tower. Large clamping board racks. 2 pairs of tower speakers with lights, forward-facing lights, and light rings on board. Full sea deck flooring, real easy to clean, real easy to take care of. Hose and a deck brush and you are done. Observer side stereo remote control. Great rear-facing seat. So when you get this flipped up, you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people facing backwards without having anybody sit on the back of the boat, which is really, really nice in this case. Nice step over to get in and out of the boat, as well as a pop-up ski tow bar. Full LED lighting throughout as well. Hope you've enjoyed the walkthrough of the boat. If you have any questions on this or any of your other ones, please pick up the phone, just give us a call. We look forward to talking to you.